In this video, I'll be showing you how to create walls in SketchUp. So the first thing to do is grab the rectangle tool, create your room. So from here, we'll raise it up a little bit. This is the base of our house. And then select the top panel. And we're going to press copy and then paste. And make sure it is placed exactly over the other one. So the next thing you do, go here, search for offset tool. And then offset that slightly. This will create the walls for us. After we have done that, we can go on to this tool, push pull. Make sure you're selecting the walls and then drag up the walls. And yeah, that is how you create walls in SketchUp. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.